pretty fast actually. Look at that.
You will be boom.
Tracking is very nice. Sounds like a jet.
Whew. Did you see that? Let's do it again. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome outdoors and welcome to flight testing video of Eachine F16 jet, RC jet with EDF. No propeller, people. This is a 50mm EDF jet. And first off, go ahead, check out the unboxing. Assembly was very easy and straightforward. You have to glue this and the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. You have to glue them. The wings right here are magnetic, so they will just stick here. They won't come off. However, I still did some hot glue job here. Installing the connecting rods to the servos was very easy, and configuring the jet was very easy. Now the CG is right here. If you can see clearly where the servo compartment forward line to the forward of the wing is, the CG is right there. Okay, one thing I don't understand. Where is the landing gear, people? Where's the landing gear? Why, Eachine? Why? F16 jet and no landing gear? You just gave us some plastic here so that we can break it on the first hard landing. And how do we take off? I haven't seen people hand launching an F16 EDF jet. I don't know. I might have to just 3D print something, or add some kind of landing gear. But anyway, for the very first flight, I'll just go like this, hand launch, and hope it flies. Now in the compartment, there's a lot of space right here for batteries and stuff. But if you put anything over 1500 milliamp 3S battery, it gets very heavy. So let's go ahead and do a flight and see how it flies.
Okay, it's all set. It's pretty nose heavy because I just have that battery. Let me check all the surfaces are right. Okay, get some wind in on this hot day. Feels so good. Now question is, will it take off from ground? I don't think it has enough power to take off from ground, given that this plastic things. I'm just gonna waste some battery to see. No, it's not gonna fly or take off from ground. You will just waste all the battery. So I'm just gonna take a risk and throw it by hand, give it a hand launch, and hope it will fly, and hope I don't crash it. If I crash it, sorry people, I'm not used to hand launch the jets. I can only do ground takeoff. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Come on, jet, you can do it. On full throttle. I don't know, it's because it's too nose heavy, or that's why the looks like underpowered. I have to give it all the time full throttle. Otherwise I feel it's just gonna crash. Nose heavy will stall very quick, and tail heavy will not fly too long. So also, given that it has no rudder, so that's another look how it's turning. It's too difficult to turn a jet without a rudder this way. So I'm trying to figure out if I can keep it in the air for now and not stall it. It's pretty fast actually. Look at that. Really nice and fast. I wish they give a stabilizer, built-in stabilizer in it. Would have been better. It's doing probably 120, 140 maybe maximum 150 I'm hitting there, not sure. I have to install a GPS logger on it. Once again, I wish they gave you know, stabilizer and rudder, and most importantly they gave landing gear, people. Then it would be a really amazing jet. I don't know why they did not want to give rudder. Tracking is very nice. Tracks nice and straight. Tracks very well. Nice and straight tracking. So I see my 3S is begging me to start landing. I'm gonna land it. Sounds like a jet. That's a full throttle now. Anytime my 3S will die. So let's land, people. Zero throttle, nose down. Coming in really hot. Smooth landing right there. I was going into the wall, but anyway, I controlled it and saved it. Oh wait, I can blow some air on my face. Whew. Feels so nice, man, on this summer day, hot summer day. Let's go back and do a jet blast on face.
So I'm gonna take a jet blast from Eachine F16 50mm EDF. The battery is almost finished, but let's see. Whew. Did you see that? Let's do it again. Oh, I filled my lungs with oxygen. So people, I flew it with 11.1 volt 2600 milliamp, and basically putting it all the way back, it did balance nice. Was slightly nose heavy, but in my all RC flight experience, I would say flying a nose heavy plane is always better than flying a tail heavy. Tail heavy will not stay in the air for too long. Nose heavy, you still have chance to keep the speed up and keep it flying without getting it stalled, because it will stall earlier on lower speeds. So you can always control the speeds and keep flying and land your model safely if it is nose heavy. But if your model is tail heavy, you will be boom. That's it. So it was nose heavy, but it did fly very well. Now I want to talk about the appearance. It's really nice, very beautiful appearance right here. Color scheme is good enough. There's a lot of good stickers around and good scale details. Okay, on the bottom also. Assembly is very, very easy. Setting it up is very easy. If you want to change EDF, it's right here. You can remove it and repair your ESC or remove or replace the EDF unit. Okay. Now, really, I wish Eachine, once again, I would like to say, I wish Eachine provided the landing gear. It's not too expensive just to provide a nose turning steerable gear and two under the wings. It's not very difficult, people. You could have easily provided that, and this would be absolutely a charming plane to take off and land using the landing gear. Even given that it doesn't have rudder, we don't mind. We would love to have a landing gear on this. But if you could also not only landing gear but also give us a rudder, man, you have a winning product right here. Would be an absolutely feature-rich mini EDF jet right here, because the EDF has enough power. Given that today I flew it very heavy, that's why I was feeling it was underpowered. If I had a battery, no, not this one, I have this 3S for my M2, only 700 milliamp, not enough. So if I had the right battery, I'm sure I would balance the CG right. It would be light enough, it would give me more flight time, and it will have enough power. So this is all my conclusion right here, people. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give it a big thumb up, hit that subscribe button, click on that little bell icon, and stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section of this video. If you like this Eachine F16, link is in video description. Have fun.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.